Hello everyone, my name is Nguyễn Thị Kim Phượng. Today I would like to show you how to fix stop data of serial number not suitable for movement. And the movement in here is 305. It's different with the video also talk about how to fix the same error like this, but with different context and different situation. And today I would like to share how I solve this. Let's get started. First of all, you need to know current situation why I encounter the error. We have two plans. The plan VNEE is serial management and VNAA non-serial management. And with the serial in here, example is 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have two kind of process. First is the stop transport order and second is interplan stop transfer. The original status of the serial number is this that it in stop. It has certain status ESTO and user status is MIGO. With stop type is 01 and plan is V and EE. And after we have stop transport order, this means that you need good issue with 351. The serial number system and user is the same, but stop type is changed from 01 to 06 and plan is changed to V and AA. And because in the plant V and AA, it is non-serial management. So when user GR with 101 will not input serial number on this, the status of the serial is not changed, and user in V and AA want to return back the serial number to the V and EE. So that means use interplan stop transfer with two steps. First step, good issue with 303, and because V and AA is non-serial management, so the status of serial is not changed. And when the user of VNEE want to receive from VNAA, it get error like this. So in this case, what should you do? The root cause is here that when you check the detail of the error, the SAP will display like this. There's some conflict of the serial number. That stop data is 05, but the serial number is 06. So this means if you want to receive with movement 305, you need to change stop type of serial number from 06 to 05. You change the stop type of the serial number. So this is all for the set today. I have several videos talk about SAP issue. You can check here. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.